Lesson first. Easy Sanskrit. First person pronoun. Aham asmi. Aham brahmasmi. Aham manushyoasmi. Manushyaha asmi. Manushyoasmi. Aham sarvasya prabhava. In Gita there is a sloga like this. Aham sarvasya prabhavo matta sarvam pravartade iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhavasamannita. I am the source of everything. After seeing and grasping this truth, thinkers concentrate on my glories of actions. Aham padhami. I study. Aham is singular. The verb of aham in present tense always end in ami. Aham padhami ami. Therefore, we need not add aham to it. Padhami, gacchami, I go. Gayami, I sing. Karomi, I do. Such ending is very common in most of the Sanskrit verbs in present form. Therefore, first of all, we can study some sentences using aham and ending in ami. Aham avanam gacchami. Avanam is market. I go to the market. Aham mandiram gacchami. I go to the temple. Aham padhasalam gacchami. I go to school. Aham pidarau vandami. Aham pidarau vande also is correct. Vande. Aham Bharadambam Vande. Therefore, the famous national song is like this. Vande Bharatam. Sujalam Sufalam Madaram Vande. Vande is an additional form of first person. Vande. Ami is generally used to 75% of verbs in present form. Balaha, boys. Kridangane, on the playground, kridanti. Kim kridanti? What they play? Balaha kandugam kridanti. The boys play ball. Balikaha, girls, sing, gayanti, ganam. That is third person. Gayami, I sing. Gayati, third person. Ti is third person. Ami is first person. Aham Sanskritam Padhami. I study Sanskrit. Aham Madhu Pibami. I drink honey. Aham Ishwaram Bhajami. I beseech God. Aham is the nominative form of first person pronoun in Sanskrit. Nominative is called in Prathama Vibhakti in Sanskrit. It is used to become the subject of an action. Who is the subject? One who can do or undo, or who can do in another way, is called subject, karta. Kartum, agartum, anyadagartum shakyaha, karta. The form in nominative case is most powerful form of a noun. Therefore, it is studied first. I is the most important pronoun in the world because everything starts from I. My country, my nation, my house, my language, mama griham, mama rashram, mama neta, all are derived from aham. Aham, nominative, genitive or possessive case is mama. Mama has another form also, me. Me nama, my name. Mama nama also my name. Genitive has two forms. That is mama and me. That is a complication. According to the position and context, the student should understand what meaning, what case is denoted here. Dehi me bhojanam rajan. O king, give me food. May is there, not genitive, there it is dative case. Genitive and dative. Dative is chaturthi, genitive is possessive. There the boy understands that give it to me food. enough bread. The situation, the context determines what is the meaning of may in every place. Now, aham, mama, or may. Two cases, two declensions we saw. Some sentences using nominative case and genitive case also we studied. Mama pustakam, my book. Mama Rashram, my nation. Mama Mata Pitarau or Mama Pitarau, my parents. Mama Mitram, my friend. Like this, we can day by day study one or two forms of a noun or a pronoun and proceed further for study of Sufashitas and Vedic hymns or works of poets. I think this two forms of declension, nominative and genitive, alone is enough for the first class. Aham, I, mama, me. Aham is Latin ego, mama is Latin mei. I said in the introduction. Thank you.